Hi friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. So let us start today's video with my cryptosedum, and some portion of it is looking really pretty as it has colored up, and some portion is still green. But I just love it the way it is. Look at this pretty plant. Very easy to grow, easy to propagate. Now that's my wandering Jew, the Tradescantia nunuk. It's a beautiful one. It is giving out tiny new leaves. Look at that. How delicate and pretty she looks. It's a beautiful shade of purple. I just love this plant. Now this is another plant that I am fond of. Look at the green color. Now this is today's sky. A beautiful day has just started. But the thing that I don't know about this plant is its name. Now this is another beautiful succulent which needs to be cleaned up. Now this is not Echeveria. Now that's my string of hearts. Look at that pretty one. A beautiful plant. Now this particular succulent needs a lot of cleaning. And this string of hearts has grown in this pot on its own, and look at this particular plant. It's a beautiful one. Now that's my sedum. It is growing along with my rubies necklace in this container. This is the container that used to be in my kitchen, and now see, I have shared it with not shared actually, I had given it to my plants. What else can I do? I just want them to grow healthy. This is the Hawatia, and just as I moved, I saw hundreds of ants running. So I have to spray the ant repellent. Now this is my variegated pothos, which is never going to disappoint you. It is always happy, it is always pretty, and no matter where you place it, whether it's a plastic pot or a beautiful pot, it is always going to look pretty. Now that's my teeny tiny jade. Look at the pretty little one. I just love this one. This is my recent purchase. If y'all have seen my earlier videos, I think just 1 month back I had bought. And this is another succulent given to me by my younger sister-in-law, and thank God it has not died, as she was asking me how it's doing. Now that's again my beautiful succulent, a cute little one. This is my super bum, and look at her. I rarely show you this plant because it is in such a position I cannot move, and so as I had shifted the succulents to a dry area because of the rain, and so I am being able to share the video of this beauty. This is the Graptopetalum super bum, a beautiful succulent. Look at that. I just love it. These are the 2 geraniums that are in bloom right now due to the monsoons. So thank you guys for staying till the end. If you all have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it is bye bye from all of us here at Plants, Crush It, Cooking and more. Bye bye.